What's up YouTube, Abominasuit here, coming back with another video break of 2009 Leaf Rookies and Stars. Kicking off the 2009 season tonight. First game is on tonight, so pretty bust a box of cards. 24 packs. Probably do this in two separate parts. Do 12 and 12 just because a lot of times I've done these before. It does run over the 10-minute mark. Alright, so here we go. Pack number 1. These packs give me the hardest time out of any product. Alright. Base, decoy, all base. Decoy, all base. Decoy, base got a rookie card of Dominic Edison. I'm sure it's numbered to 999. Drafted by the Tennessee Titans, number 327 of 999. Of Dominic Edison. All base decoys. Rookie card, longevity of Jeremy Childs. That is numbered to 249. Who was drafted by the Chargers. Still looking for our 4 hits. The rate we're going and whipping through these, I might be able to get all this. And we got our first hit. Got our first hit. Pull out the base and go slow for the camera here. Alright, just a basic jersey. Pretty cool looking jersey though. Rookie card number, oh, it's a patch. Numbered 8 of 50. Rookie for the Dallas Cowboys of Stephen McGee. Dallas Cowboys numbered 8 of 50. Patch of Stephen McGee, the quarterback out of Texas A&M, I believe. Pretty nice looking patch. Just a one color patch, but Stephen McGee patch. Number to 50? Yeah, right. Got another hit in the second pack we opened. It would be an autograph. I actually pulled him out of the last box I opened. Rookie autograph number to 200 for the Chicago Bears of Mr. Johnny Knox. I think this is the second or third Johnny Knox autograph out of Rookies and Stars I've pulled. Numbered to 200. Moving right along. You know what? There's another hit in this here. We're going to wait and save that because I've got a shit ton of packs left and I don't want to go through all the hits in the first 7 packs we open, because that just kind of takes away the fun. Because then out of those other packs there's really nothing to look forward to. Got a longevity card, gold longevity of Philip Rivers, number to 49. Philip Rivers longevity, number to 49. It would be nice if this is a hot box. I don't know if they have hot boxes in this stuff or not. I've opened quite a few of this stuff, and I have not seen a hot box yet. All base decoy. Still looking for one more hit. I got the one hit sitting right in front of me. I'm going to save it for the end, just because I don't want to open 12 other packs and have them be nothing to look forward to. Is there a hit in here? Is that a decoy? That's a decoy. Okay. I want to make sure that wasn't our other hit because I would have saved that too. Got a rookie card. Actually, it is a rookie card, but cross-training insert number to 100 of Mr. Hakeem Nicks. Hakeem Nicks. Number to 100. Cross-training insert. Skin packs giving me trouble. Alright. Got a rookie card. Probably the 19th one I pulled of Vontae Davis. Number to 999. He actually got drafted by the Dolphins. Decoy. Got a rookie card for the Titans of Mr. Jared Cook. Number to 999 as I drop him. Number to 999 of Jared Cook. It's going to be all base and a decoy. Damn. Alright. Decoy. Got a rookie card. Insert card, longevity of Bryant Westbrook. Number to 249. Got one more hit left. I know we didn't... Got one hit in front of us we haven't looked at yet. So really 2 hits, but we found the one already. We're just going to save it. Alright. All base. Decoy. You know what, I'm going to stop it right here. I'm going to come back with part 2 of the box break. Since we're running a little low on time, I'll come back with 2 more hits. This is Abominus Suit out.